Hello and welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel, that is Research AI Tools. Today's video is primarily based on how you can fix your research paper grammatically or any document that you intend to submit professionally or in your university, like assignments, or you want to submit a research proposal in response to any grant that has been given by the government or etc. So there is a tool available that is known as Trinka AI, which fixes your research document in a professional manner, and that too without any additional cost. Before moving ahead, if you are interested in learning other AI tools that can enhance your research output and increase your efficiency, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Research AI Tools. Now, most grammar tools fail at academic writing, which results in test rejection of my research paper. And most of the people spend lots of money on licensed softwares, which can give them a certificate in response to correction of their documents grammatically. Let's test Trinka AI on a real research paragraph. Trinka is primarily a grammar, style, and academic language enhancer. It fixes grammar and sentence structure. It improves clarity and tone. It suggests better academic phrasing. Using Trinka AI for proofreading does not inherently make your content plagiarized or AI plagiarism. So, this is a very, very important point. Most of the time, when I want to correct my document through an AI correction tool, the most worrying aspect is that perhaps it would include it in a repository and my own personal content will be included in a plagiarism or plagiarized content. So, through Trinka AI, in my personal opinion, the document is not included in any repository. It primarily only corrects the document's phrases which are not previously corrected and does not change or enhance or improve the overall content of the document. So that means that your content or whatever document that you have provided, it will not be included in a repository. Rather, it will only improve certain words or certain phrases which lacks clarity and improve the meaning. So let's get straight to the Trinka AI tool and see how this works. So this is a tool that I am talking about, and you can reach out to this tool using trinka.ai URL. So let's log into this system, and you can log into this system using any of your Gmail accounts. So let's click on sign in via Google, and I will be selecting any one of my email addresses to go ahead, and let's click on the continue button and give it a couple of moments to log into the system. And so as you can see, it is now going to log into a system very quickly. Just give it a couple of moments. So it is asking you what your preferences are. So it really doesn't matter. So let's select the faculty and staff. And now it is asking me to upload any file. So Trinka, besides the proofreading of the file, gives you a lot more options as well that are free of cost. And I will be covering a couple of more options in my follow-up videos. So let's upload a file from my device. And I have prepared a short essay in order to demonstrate the effectiveness of Trinka AI. So allow it to upload the essay. And now it is asking you for a couple of options and preferences that you can select. So the document type would be academic, general, and legal. So let's click on academic. And editing mode should be the light mode. And then apply. And now it is showing me 41 alerts. That means that Trinka AI has found 41 discrepancies in your document grammatically, and it has outlined all of these discrepancies in the red color. And once you click on any of the red coded word or red underlined word, it will show you what the problem is and how you can edit or remove it. So let's hover our mouse pointer over the first word, that is today's word, and let's click on today's. And Now it is also showing me in this panel how many mistakes are there, and it has corrected the today's. Let's click on have become. So it is showing me the technology have become is incorrect, and it is showing in green what should be the corrected phrase of this particular word. So if I want to accept it, then it depends upon my preference. And if I want to just dismiss it and want to keep my own language, then I can click on dismiss. So I can clearly see that has become should be the one that should be appearing here. So let's click accept it. As soon as I accept it, it has replaced that into this particular pane and remove the incorrect phrase. So let's hover the mouse on part. Let's click on the part, and there is written the correct part is mentioned in green and the red part is mentioned in the red. So let's click on accept, and then the next incorrect phrase that is clearly mentioned over here is lives. So let's click on life, and it is clearly showing me that life is incorrect and it should be lives. So let's accept it. And then similarly, you can see all through the document that the incorrect phrases are mentioned in red, and I can click on any one of the words and it will take it to that part of the document, and it is clearly showing that communicate is incorrectly mentioned, and I can accept either one of the two options, that is communicate or commodicate. So let's click on communicate and accept it. So it has replaced the previously incorrect phrase, and now it has given me correct part of the document. So once I am done, I can easily select the phrase, copy it, and use it in my Microsoft Word part where this incorrect phrase was previously mentioned. So this is how you can always use Trinka AI to correct your document before submitting it professionally. And this will give you a lot more confidence while submission as well, so that your document will not be rejected at a desk review stage because of just incorrect grammatical errors. So let's close it down and just uh, and there you go. You can come back to the previous screen, and let's click on again the Google, and you can see that your document is saved over here and you can resume your operations whenever you want. So this is it from today, and please subscribe to my channel to have a look at other options available in the field of AI, and primarily we will cover also a couple of videos on Trinka as well. And please subscribe to my channel because in the upcoming weeks, I will be covering a very important software that is named as Zotero, which is a referencing tool. So that will be very beneficial for all the researchers and students. For today, thank you very much for your time.